Nalubabo kabayan, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie. Welcome to We're in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our We're in Pampanga community. Ikaw ba ay may pet? And naghanap ka ng mga coffee shop / milk tea shop kung saan pwede mong dalhin yung aso mo or yung pusa mo. Gusto mong mag-chill na kasama sila. So ang business na gusto po namin pakilala sa inyo ay ang Bark and Brew. So they are located at the heart of Angelo City. Kagaya ng sinabi ko sa inyo, they welcome pet owners to bring their pets, cat, dogs, and enjoy and chill sa place po nila. And aside from that, for sure magugustuhan po ninyo yung mga refreshments nila. So let me introduce the drinks that they have sent us today. So meron po tayong mga iba-ibang series dito from their yogurt jam. So this is blueberry, ito naman ay mango. And then, meron din naman silang cocktail. So, the first one is a G-apple and then a lychee. So, in the middle naman natin, ito yung kanilang mga rock salt and cheese. So, first off is a blueberry choco, a matcha, and brown sugar. Now, on my left, ito po yung kanilang mga cream cheese. This is a strawberry cream cheese cake. Meron tayong choco, red velvet, and then, meron tayong Olate. Ang pinadala nilang flavors are peach and cranberry. Isa sa mga pinagmamalaki nila ay yung kanilang mga coffee series. Yan. So this is the barista blend. This is an iced toffee nut. And then ito naman ay Army Espresso. And the last one is the iced caramel macchiato. My favorite. Yun! Giving a story about them. Tingnan natin yung kanilang mga pinadala. No? I'm gonna start with this strawberry Olate. So meron po siyang mga nata or yung mga sinkers natin. Ayun, so nag-start po sila last year of July. Product of resiliency in the middle of pandemic. They were able to put up a business. According to the orientation from the owner, they are really blessed with mga parokyano, mga customers nila na they keep on coming back. Nga pala, they are also available sa mga delivery services. You may check them out sa Grab, sa Foodpanda, sa Macchiato. Siguro check nyo na lang yung fan page nila. You know, the entire details will be there. So, starting off with this Cranberry Olate. Ayan. Oh, wow. So, it's creamy. You get the real bits of yung mga cranberries natin. And of course, yung nata. What really made an impact to me is this is very creamy. Yun yung impression ko. Next, I wanna try is yung kanilang mga yogurt jam naman. Ayan. So, mango jam. Yun nga, nasabi ko sa inyo earlier, they are a pet-friendly establishment. So, you may bring your pets there. Actually, gusto ko rin mag-pet ng dog eh. Nga lang, may baby pa ako. So, siguro pag medyo lumalaki na yon at na-loosen up na yung responsibility as day-caring my kid, siguro doon, I can start to pet a dog. Yeah, probably a dog. So this one is so fruity. So sabi ng owner kanina, sobrang magugustuhan ko daw yung mga coffee series nila. So this one is iced caramel macchiato. Ayan o. Have a good shake para even out yung flavor natin. Any coffee shop na mapupuntahan ko, most probably 99% of the time, I'm gonna go for a caramel. Oh wow, that one's a strong coffee. Rate ko yung bitterness niya up to 10 siguro. It's 7.5 up until 8. Yung sweetness naman niya guys is around probably 6 or 7. That's how I rate yung sweetness naman niya. But then again, at the end of the day, if it's caramel, medyo bias ako dyan. So, I'm gonna love it. Nakita ko yung menu nila starting at 80 pesos. Imagine that's like triple times yung price ng popular drink dyan, no? So, kakaroon nga sila ng mga reviews or comments, no? That it is actually comparable sa mga known coffee shops, no? It's actually comparable nga. Oh wow, I'll finish this later on. I'm gonna go for the red velvet. This one, this guy right here. Look at this. So yung pinaka-wall ng cup natin, it has loads, tons of cheesecake sa pinaka-wall ng cup natin. And then, dun sa pinaka-bottom, it has some brown pearls. I'm not gonna shake it too much because gusto kong matikman yung yung cheesecake nila. So, let me, glide it dun sa pinaka-wall. Yan, I'm gliding it dun sa wall ng natin, ng cup natin para matikman ko talaga yung red velvet. Yan, lagyan natin ng konting pearls. Wow. Cream cheese. Oh man, how much is this? So yeah, they start at 80 pesos. The large is actually 100 pesos. So 20 pesos difference. I think you're gonna go for the large one, no? Oh wow. A dessert and a drink at the same time. Last to taste for me, guys. Again, we would like to thank Bark and Brew for being generous to us, of course, virtually, guys. Hindi naman natin ito mauubos lahat, but I'm gonna share it with my family. Check them out. Again, available po sila sa Grab, Foodpanda, or you can message them to sa fan page nila. So for the last one, I'm gonna go for this rock salt and cheese series. So meron silang tatlong flavor: blueberry, matcha, and brown sugar. Of course, I'm gonna go with the brown sugar. Oh, sobrang thick nung, what do you call this? Parang meron, I don't know. Tikman natin, no? Parang meron pa rin siyang cream cheese dito, eh. Yan, no? Okay, anyway. I'm not gonna shake it. Again, I wanna taste each ingredients individually. I'm gonna go first dito sa medyo taas nga. Rock salt and cheese. So, good combination. Again, a little bit salty, a little bit sour, and a little bit sweet because of the brown sugar. Yaman, ah? Wow, guys. Again, an alternative to your usual, an alternative to the really expensive ones. You're gonna get this a very affordable price. And at the same time, yung quality and taste is very comparable to the famous one or known ones na mga coffee shops and milk tea. So why not try Bark and Brew? We're gonna flash the fan page on your screens right now. You may also call them or message the fan page. We're gonna tag dun sa caption below natin. So guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please guys, share it with your friends. It's gonna help us. It's gonna help you as well. Yung mga friends nyo na tinatag nyo, magbe-benefit din sila dito. So, thank you for watching We're in Pampanga. I'm gonna share this with my family. Again, on the next video. Peace out. Bye, guys.